Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can change the theme of your Windows computer without activating it. Let me show you first. In the personalization, you can see we can't change a theme here. It's asking us to activate our Windows. So in order to change the theme, so let's get started. First, open up your file manager and navigate to this PC. Go to the local disk C. After coming here, go to the Windows. Now click on the address bar, again click on it, type resources. Now click on this again and now select the themes. Follow this part carefully. Open personalize, minimize it. As you can see, I am using the dark mode. If I click on this spotlight, double click on it, and as you can see, it has changed my theme and everything is changed. If I want to change it again, open up this file manager and click on the theme A, and as you can see, changed my theme. By following this trick, you can change your desired theme and customize your PC like your own. I hope this video will help you guys to personalize your PC without activating the Windows. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.